Hello my lovely beauties. Today in this video I am going to share 20 amazing beauty tips and tricks of Vaseline at home. I hope this video is helpful to all, so don't forget to subscribe, like, comments and share with your family and friends. So without any further delay, let's get started. Number 1. Prep skin for fragrance. Moisturized skin may hold scents better, so rub some Vaseline on your pulse points before you spray to make your fragrance last longer. Pulse points are warm areas that help diffuse the fragrance across the body. Number 2. Tame flyaways. Use Vaseline to tame frizz and seal dry split ends and even to keep unruly eyebrows in place. Number 3. Create a glow. Swap your highlighter for Vaseline. Just dab a small amount on the high points of your face for a dewy, naturally luminous glow. Keep in mind that a Vaseline may clog pores, so if that seems like it could happen to you, maybe don't follow this tip, or at least go very lightly. Number 4. Remove stains. With a damp washcloth, Vaseline can be used to lift makeup stains from clothes as well as pillows, blankets and sheets. Number 5. Clean up your manicure. Apply Vaseline to cuticles before painting your nails to keep color of the surrounding skin. You will get a perfect manicure. Number 6. Heal dry skin. Vaseline is incredibly effective at softening severely cracked, dry and inflamed areas. It also works by preventing loss of water in the skin, which allows natural oils to nourish and repair. Number 7. Customize cosmetics. Turn any of your favorite loose pigments into cream eyeshadow or blush by mixing them with Vaseline. It's safe to use around the eye area according to me, so you don't have to worry about causing infection. You can also make a tinted lip balm this way. Number 8. Condition lashes. Vaseline can also be safely applied to the lashes. Many salons and spas use Vaseline or petroleum jelly-like products around areas eyes, nose and mouth that need to be protected from the treatment. Number 9. Polished leather. Scuffed shoes. Buff a little Vaseline onto boots, shoes, bags and any other leather goods that need polishing. Number 10. Achieve the perfect self-tanner application. Use a small amount of Vaseline on dry spots before applying self-tanner. It will act as a barrier preventing streaks and stains in areas the self-tanning product would otherwise cling to. Number 11. Protect the scalp from color transfer. Ready to take matters into your own hands and dive into a box tie? Gently rub Vaseline around the hairline before applying at-home color to prevent hair dye stains. Number 12. Gently remove makeup. Makeup remover can be expensive and tough on your eyes. Vaseline is an inexpensive option that easily and gently removes eyeliner, mascara, shadow and even the eyelash glue your falsies leave behind. Number 13. Slip-on jewelry. If you don't wearing earrings very often, those holes can become troublesome. Rub Vaseline over your earlobes and earrings post to help them slide in painlessly. Number 14. Mix up scrubs. Dry lips. Vaseline can be a great fix. Add a bit of sugar or Vaseline to make your own lip scrub, or mix it with sea salt and use the mixture in the shower as a body scrub with moisturizing benefits. Number 15. Prevent nail polish bottles from sticking. Another expert sleeper use of Vaseline. Smooth a dab under the cap of your nail polish to prevent dry lacquer from making the bottle impossible to open. Yes, the polish will stay fresh forever, or at least pretty darn close. Number 16. Keep razor blades sharp. Keep your razors like new by carefully smoothing a very thin layer of Vaseline onto the blades between uses. Make sure they are completely dry first to prevent rust. Seriously, it's one of the sleekest uses for Vaseline I have ever discovered. Number 17. Treat feet. Soften dry feet and cracked heels by applying a coat of Vaseline at night and wearing socks to bed. This overnight treatment will help lock in moisture and give you smoother soles by morning. Number 18. Preventing shoe rubbing, breaking in heels. Keep those now smooth, baby soft feet a fighting chance by lubricating them with Vaseline. They will glide into the shoes effortlessly and the tender skin won't keep rubbing against the tight interior of the toe box. Plus, it might soften the leather and expedite the stretching process for a perfect fit. Number 19. Avoid chafing. Apply Vaseline to the thighs, underarms, or anywhere else you are prone to chafing to reduce friction and keep skin moisturized. Number 20. Protect your skin barrier. Slagging is a popular moisturizing method where an occlusive product such as Vaseline is applied on top of the skin at the end of your skincare routine to lock in moisture and help protect the skin barrier. Since Vaseline is non-comedogenic, it won't clog pores, but slagging isn't advised for those with an oily skin type. Thanks for watching this video.